Hi, I'm Mona. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have Happy Mail. I always say that Happy Mail is a hug in a box, and it is. I always remind you that if you get a Happy Mail, it's not just what's inside of it. Mostly it's the thought. And it's also that this person packaged up, most go to the mailbox to send them, or to the post office to send them. And I'm telling you, the cost of shipping anymore. This package is from Scotland. Scotland. It's from Beth Ramsden. If you do not watch Beth's channel, which I can't imagine you do not, you need to. Beth is amazing. She is one of those rare people whose craftsmanship is second to none. I mean, we're talking top-notch craftsmanship. We just did a collab Beth set up using the Simplicity pattern for Blythe dolls. And that was really fun. When I say we, I mean the four of us that I originally started doing collabs with. And that is, the first one was J Dolls UK. And then Beth, and then Tammy Powley, Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Powley. Oh, if this is really that shortbread, Darren absolutely loved this. We did an advent calendar. It looks like it is. It's sealed. Let's open it. We did an advent calendar last year, and Beth had sent these little shortbread. Weren't they like elks or something?
They were the Highland cows.
Highland cows, they are, Darren. Oh my goodness. We are going to have this with our morning coffee. Thank you so much. That is so fun.
I might even let Marna have some.
But wait, there's more. Oh my goodness. I always check and double check the packages. What do I open first? Oh, wow. Look at this in the 70s style. I love that. And that is made for the registered trademark Blythe. So that will fit a Kenner, and I am thrilled. Oh, that's going to look so cute. And I might have just got another Kenner. Oh, my. Look at this in the long sleeve. Oh, they're like twinning. And this is the bigger size for the AliExpress bodies that have the articulation. Oh my God, I love these. My little peaches. What do we call her? Logo mascot for my website will look so cute in that. Oh my God, look at this. When I say Beth's craftsmanship is second to none, let me show you this. Look at this. Everything is finished. Her little snaps. You can't even see her stitching for her snaps. Gorgeous. Lined. The skirt is up inside her her front and lining. Oh God, that is gorgeous. And look at this. She's got 2 layers on there. It's got netting. Oh, Beth, this is... Oh, I love it. Love it. Oh, your craftsmanship is unreal. Just unreal. But, oh, a little troll doll. And I wonder if Beth did that with the glitter. Oh, that's so cute. Thank you, Beth. If you don't know, I have a large collection of troll dolls. Oh, and a Scottish tray for the cookies. Oh, how cool is that? I say Scottish, I mean,
Tartan.
You know what I mean. Happy Mail, Martin and Darren. I hope you'll enjoy your Huntley made shortbread. You're welcome, Darren. She's so cute. Beth is just like you see her on her channel with a little bit more humor. And some dolly things too. Marna, the retro dress were prototypes that seemed to shame not to finish off and enjoy. I'm so excited I can't even read. And enjoy. So please exclude the loose threads. There are no loose threads, I promise you. And the tartan tray is handy for taking, oh yeah, is handy for taking sewing from room to room. You know what? And sewing on snaps in my lap on the recliner while I'm watching other people's YouTubes. That's perfect. And the cookies. I have a few that I use for this. Lots of love, Beth. Oh, Beth, this is, thank you so much. I promise you, the camera will barely be turned off and Darren will be eating one of these cookies. Thank you so much. Our channel today for our holiday cheer. What is holiday cheer? That is when we all go to a channel, we leave a subscription for that channel, a like on their last video. Look at that, I do have friends. Someone's texting me. And we leave a comment. And then a second comment has the words holiday cheer. Excuse me. I got so excited my throat's dry. And then in all the comments down the row, check it, check it, check it, check it with a like. And what that does is it ups this person in the algorithm. And we all can use that little boost, and it's such a nice thing to do for one another at Christmas. Today's channel is Sandy Blanco 615. And I'm not just grabbing these channels from anywhere. These are my subscribers that come and they leave comments almost every video. And I cannot tell you how much Darren and I appreciate that. And I really mean it. You know, it's like Happy Meal. It's just such a nice thing that we do for one another. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
Thanks, Beth.